How to redeem promo codes in Raid Shadow Legends. Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. If you are looking for a way to redeem your promo codes in the Raid Shadow Legends game, then the first thing to do is to launch the Raid Shadow Legends game on your device and make sure you are inside the lobby screen. Once you're in, go to the left hand side corner and tap on the menu button, which will open up this expanded menu on the left. Click on promo codes from the menu and then enter your promo code in the text box on the next page. Type in or paste in the promo code exactly as it is given and double check for capital letters, numbers and symbols. They need to match perfectly. Once you are done entering the code, click on confirm and your rewards will be added to your account instantly. So that's it. Now you know how to redeem your promo codes in Raid Shadow Legends game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.